Meeting and greeting customs. 2. 1. How do people in Chile greet each other the first time? They usually shake hands when they meet people for the first time. 2. How do women in Chile greet each other? Chilean women sometimes greet with an air kiss when they meet another woman for the first time. 3. 3. What is the most common form of the greeting in Finland? The people of the Finland greet with a first handshake. 4. When do Finns use hugs and kisses? Finns only greet family and close friends with a kiss and hug. Korea. 5. What is a typical form of greeting in Korea? Koreans generally lean forward and shake hands with each other. Philippines. 6. What is the typical form of greeting each other Philippines and what is the occasional one? Philippine people usually greet each other by shaking hands. Men sometimes pat each other on the back. United States. 7. Finally, what about the United States describes the form of greeting each other? Americans shake hands when they meet someone for the first time. They sometimes greet friends and family with a kiss on the cheek or hug. Men only greet women with a kiss on the cheek but no another man. The new greeting for COVID-19. Thank you.